everybody, welcome back to my channel. Caitlin's face is awkward. Hi. We're making slime. We're outside. We've got these like kind of
little containers
thingy-bobbers. Do you want to see these here? What you're going to do is you're not going to see our faces at the moment while we make this slime. I'm going to move this camera forward and then you guys are going to see the things that we're doing.
So we're going to clear glue.
Let's do this first. Yeah, so we're using clear glue. And now we have an activator. So
we're just going to activate it now.
That's it. Learn. There's not a lot coming out, Emma. Stop. Lauren, you're not allowed to use, I don't mean a quarter each.
I know.
I mean a full quarter. That's it.
Yeah,
That's it. It works. I put too much in.
Yeah, it definitely works. And I think there is a little bit too much.
Yeah, it is. It won't go like so. So as this happens right here, it goes really sticky.
Really sticky.
I'm kind of kneading this.
I'm not touching it yet. I'm
kneading it.
I'm mixing it a little bit more before I start kneading it with my hands. I'm going to pull my jumper up just in case. I don't want it to get on.
Oh yeah, you're wearing your Lever's jumper.
Yeah, I don't want it to get wet. I don't really want to take it off. It's like chilly outside.
Is a spoonful or not?
Keep it a little bit more. Just a tad bit.
Tap.
Thanks.
Can we add some beads to this?
Yeah, we're not gonna add. I'm not gonna add colouring because, like, well, one, we don't really have any, but like also because so you can still see the beads more.
Yeah. This is a slime tutorial. Guys. Yeah. You even told the colours that you're using. Oh no, but we'll see that for after. It's working. You just want to make the slime until it comes off the bowl.
Yeah, before you start using your hands.
Add the glue. It's like the slime to my slime. Get it?
Slime to slime.
So if you want to get slime off your hands, just use it with other slime. Yeah, it works. I did it again. Can we add that? Just a wee tiny tad.
But it does go stiff a little bit. It does.
Yeah, but after you put activated.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is. You want to kind of mix it until it comes off the bowl completely. Do you want to add some stars?
Thank you.
To this.
I just feel better.
Let's add the full bottle. Okay. I am not adding any more. Let's add the full bottle.
That's a quarter.
There we go.
That's a quarter done, Emma. I think.
Mm-hmm.
Is that my bottle?
Yeah, it's hers. Okay. Yeah. This is mine. And it's kind of working at the moment. Sorry if you can hear like a really annoying noise in the bowl. You just want to kind of make sure until it's not stuck.
Mine's just stuck.
I think you should add some.
No, that makes it worse.
I did that already, and it really ruins it.
It makes it just back to clear glue.
So it's kind of cloudy.
How is mine's not like yours? I swear mine's is not like yours.
I want to see if I can use this whole bottle for you.
There's none coming out.
That's up.
Okay.
Lauren, you've used too much. I'm only doing this.
It's like clear glue is harder to work with.
Lauren!
Sorry. Clear glue is harder to work with.
No wonder Mum doesn't trust you making slime.
Alright, it's starting to form more.
Okay. Oh my god! Ooh. This is kind of working at the moment.
It's like a workout for your arms.
Yeah.
It is really because clear glue is like much harder to work with because it wasn't in
spray that in your face. Yeah, I meant to go smell it. We're in a lovely back garden.
It's very sunny. But it's also a little bit chilly at the same time. Like it's sunny, but it's a little bit breezy if you get what I mean. So our slime with our contact solution isn't going to be the best. It will be really sticky, but it will be slime. Mine's is like still really sticky, but like if you just do that, it like starts to sort of like. You don't want to put it in your hands the whole time. If you get what I mean.
I want to make slime. Emma just missed a call. I have a call from Emma. Alright, okay. I want to make slime. I will phone her back. If you guys want to hear Emma, this might not work because my speaker's right, so just everyone quiet for the now.
Sorry, I thought you waited. Please leave your message.
What? Okay. I think her phone just died.
swear this is like so hard to work with.
You're lucky. It went straight on the answer phone. I'll call Adam.
This is so sticky. Yours is pure like, let's see yours. Oh, for yours.
It's kind of sticky.
It's not a stick. Feel mine. Mine's is not. Mine's is stickier.
That's because you need to keep mixing it.
I know. I've been mixing it for ages.
So me, Jerry, I have super good working hands.
I'm good. Emma's the judge, by the way, at the end. She's going to judge whose slime looks better. It's probably going to be Lauren's.
Hang on.
Hi, are you out with Emma?
Yes.
Is her phone just died? Is her right? Okay, is her phone just died?
Oh, she's on it right now.
Alright, okay, because I tried to call her and it kept saying, sorry, I'm busy right now, so it went straight on the answer phone.
Well, it's her and Lolly at the house right now.
Right, okay, I'm not coming out now because I'm here with Caitlin.
Hi.
So I'll be out later on. I'm
Okay,
playing my
right,
son.
see you later.
Right, bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. If you want to know who that guy is, he is called Adam and he is
Your friend.
my friend, yeah.
Yeah, he's
Not a boyfriend,
Before
he's
you
a
get any
third year.
ideas.
Where's the contact?
It's behind Emma.
No! Emma, you're not the charge
It's just
of
a
it.
little bit she needs, that's all.
Just a wee bit because I will put it. No, you're not. You're not putting it because you don't know how much you need because you don't actually make slime.
Can you put a little bit in?
Yeah, you do need to actually
make slime.
Okay, this
Thank you.
should be enough. It feels.
Oh, that is actually enough. Look.
It still feels.
That is forming so
I
much.
want to
Look
make
at that.
Exactly.
Mine's just forming so much. It starts to like jiggle about and then it'll like actually toughen up a little bit.
So guys, we're gonna give you a quick tip before you do this. This airwick right here, do not buy it because
It does not work. It makes it back into
not
glue.
work. Exactly. We had to go. It just does not work.
This is starting to work. Look, that's actually starting
Yay!
to work so much
It's
better.
poking.
Wait, try and poke it again. Keep it small little bit in mine. Just like this little bit. Thank you.
I don't want to use too much.
Yeah, I know. That's actually enough because I think that's actually going to be enough because you still need to knead it and stuff.
Exactly. So.
And look at that. That's actually really good slime, guys. Look at that. It may not be the best slime, but
make slime. I don't mind if my slime isn't stretchy. You guys are looking at stretchy slime.
Stretchy slime. Stretchy slime is like look at that's actually coming off the edges pretty well, to be honest. Like
Yeah.
I'm
How are
really
you gonna
happy
get that
with
home?
What?
How are you gonna get that home?
I'll just play with it in the car. Like
Or if you want a wee container, I can give you it.
just like a small little one.
You don't want to have too much glue in because then the
Yeah.
more glue you put in, the more activator you need.
Guys, while it's sticky, I would add in the stars.
I'm not them now because it's a little bit too sticky to add in the stars.
Yeah, because then it'll just like stick and then all the stars will kind of like get really, really sticky.
I
And
love
then,
like when you do that. It's like honestly so satisfying.
So you touch this with your spoon.
I
and
love
it kind of
you
sticks.
accidentally put glue in your hand and you start pulling it off.
So this works well with the spoon.
Yeah. And this glue you can get it for $1.50 out of the works and it's really good as well. So like this whole thing actually only costed us about like $5 just to make this if you were
Yeah.
actually to buy the bottle, but if you were to buy this bottle it's like £4 in Tesco.
Yeah.
Remember that's one that I was gonna buy and we didn't know if it was the right one, so see next time we go
Oh, I'm just doing eye drops. Is that okay?
No.
It's just eye drops.
I know, but you've used more than a quarter. I'm just gonna go ballistic.
It's not that much. It's like it looks like a lot, but see, because of the way the bottle's made, it's honestly not. Like it's actually probably like only half of a quarter.
Right. That's enough.
I
Right.
saw it
Go
started
and
to go
ask,
in
go
with
and
my
ask
hands.
Mum then if that's okay. Go and ask her because she's still got some.
And you get free bottles anyway.
It was up there.
How much did you put in? I'm like actually going in with my hands. Look,
Eye drops.
I went in with my hands.
Totally used eye drops.
I'm actually went in
Totally
with my
used
hands.
eye
guys.
drops.
I've went in with my hands. Is that a good idea? Going with my hands now.
hands already.
Is it okay if I put this one on the ground?
But yeah. Who
I'm not-
cares
I'm
about
not-
the floor?
I'm not going in with 2 hands now, like.
Yeah, one hand is enough.
Because you don't want to like make both your hands really sticky and then you need to wash it off and you're getting less slime. It's actually, I would actually say it's a good time to go with your hands, but obviously you don't. That is perfect slime.
I know
Come
it's
on
just
with your
really,
cafe
really
lap.
sticky.
Oh, that's it's not as sticky as mine. Mine's is actually, look at that.
I know.
You need to mix it more, don't you?
Okay, I can poke it. I just need to keep mixing it.
And then
I got told by my friend Megan.
the more you need it, it's like it goes better.
I got told by my friend Megan
I don't know how they make this
that
like, pure
you
slimes.
have to keep mixing until it's not sticky to the bowl. But even if it is really sticky to the bowl, you have to keep mixing until you think you can go in with your hands. If you want, you try and poke it and it's not that great, don't go in with your hands yet until you're ready.
Yeah, I'm not ready, so I'm just gonna like try and get all the slime off my hands, put it back in the bowl, and then like go again, like with the spoon. And then like I might add a little bit of shaving cream when I get in, like at home, just to make it bigger, like bigger slime. If you know what I mean? Feet are crying.
What did Mum say?
No more.
Yeah.
That's fine. You've used the quarter. It's not as if we need that much anyway. You don't want to go over-activate it. Yeah. Then it'd be like really tough. And
so right now, what I'm gonna do
orange is perfect, basically.
is I'm gonna like kind of
Going with the hand.
do this, and I'm gonna add in my least favorite color at the moment.
I'm adding in the blue and the orange. I think that'd be a really nice mix.
I'm going to add some of these silver stars and
Sorry,
not
it's so noisy.
using
What?
a lot
Homemade
of
ice lolly.
Nice.
Oh, it's hard to get them out.
What?
The stars, you just have to do this.
Just go at.
Don't.
The silver,
You've got glue in
the
your hands.
silver
Don't.
stars
Just
go
go at.
really, really nice with the slime.
Oh, that is actually a really pretty colour.
Now I'm going to add in the white stars.
Are you mixing it with your hands or?
Oh, well, they came out fast. The white stars are nice with it too.
Use the purple
I
stars.
wouldn't touch that cord because I just put my mouth in it.
And now I'll use some of the silver beads.
That is actually really hard to get them out.
Got it.
Emma!
Do this with them.
Don't touch this. Is like fell in the slime, guys. Oh my god, it's actually fell in the slime.
Oh, I've nearly used all my silver wee hangs. Oh well.
Mine's fell in the slime. Courtesy of Emma. I'm like, you're
So this is my slime at the moment. It's kind of not that great, but I'm gonna mix it.
I
with
really like the blue look.
I'm not gonna use my hands. I'm gonna mix
I'm really happy with
the spoon.
I'm putting more. I'm
Just to
actually
see.
used. I've used all the bottles. I've used the whole bottle.
I mean, are you allowed?
Yes, I'm the one that bought them. So
No, I mean, is Lauren allowed to use the ball?
Yeah, they're
all
mine
hers. They're all hers.
We got 4 each.
Oh, she buy them?
No, I bought them, but it's fine. She can have them. I don't mind.
How many did you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You got 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, so that's.
4 and 4 each. Well, yeah, like 4 and 4 each is.
And
four,
then, what'd you call it? Thing you got?
oh my god!
Oh.
It was right next to my ear. I didn't want to.
What do you think's gonna happen when Rachel tries that?
Oh, I'm
It's gonna be gutty.
I know, because like she's purely really. She starts doing that whole shop looking for this, and then it's not gonna work for her. I feel so bad.
Oh, that's somebody's phone. Put it on loudspeaker.
Mum,
There
say-
you
Hello. Find what?
Yeah.
Yes, Emma had it in her room the whole time.
It's working.
Emma had it in her room the whole time.
I told Lauren that I would take it up to
Yeah.
my room.
We're making slime right now and it's turning out really nice. In Lauren's backyard. Oh, sorry.
These jewels go
Bye.
really nice with the slime.
I don't have a bike.
You
I used Emma's bike. So is that right if you come pick me up when I phone you? Okay.
or my mum could take you there.
Or Mama. Wait. Lauren said that her mum could drop me off.
Probably my mum will drop you off.
Okay, I'll just let you know. Bye.
What time you have to go in at?
Anytime I phone her, she'll come pick me up.
Hi.
Remember last time we were in the middle making slime and I had to like just wash my hands and it all came
Yeah.
off, and I was like, Mother! That actually
See,
makes it really
guys,
nice, but I don't
don't
like
ever
it.
have a sleepover after you have went swimming.
You guys
Because
actually can
you
have a
smell during the
sleepover?
night.
Yeah, and also you're really, really tired, so you
Yeah.
fall asleep really easily. So if it
And your
was like
friends will be
us,
like, excuse
yeah.
me, what do
if
you
it's
think you're doing?
like us today,
I'm gonna add
um,
some orange in. Do you think I should add a little orange in?
yeah, that'd go nice with the blue.
Blech. Don't touch that either, because like, my mouth's been on it. Don't want you.
Oh my god, that's a good combination.
I'm not putting up a lot.
I would use white, green, purple.
I'm going to try some pink
I actually really like
stars.
that.
I don't want a lot of pink stars in.
I would
Neither.
add some
Nice.
yellow as well.
Nice.
Yeah, I think I'm going to add
Pink.
all the stars
Pink.
first. I'm not going to add the sequins in. It's actually
stars
the
are my
slime is taking
favourite.
forever to
I made
form.
this.
I know.
I made this so strong.
We could always try and leave it sitting
I'm
in the
not.
fridge
I wanted-
for 5 minutes.
I don't want to, just in case.
5 minutes is too much.
I just like a few minutes.
2 minutes.
2
A
minutes.
minute or something.
I'm going to mix this in a little bit more first before we actually try that, just in case it doesn't work.
I would add yellow stars. It's
I poke it with one finger.
I'm doing this. Woo! I'm literally just trying to mix it in so much.
Mine is literally clear slime.
Mine doesn't.
It's like a cloud clear slime.
I actually really like that.
Oh my goodness.
Lauren,
There's juice inside.
look at that.
So Emma's judging our best slimes. We'll show you in the end what our slimes look like. I've not uploaded the prank video yet.
Yes,
but
you pranked me.
by the time this video gets uploaded, the prank video will be uploaded already. So make sure you go and check that out. The minute I've finished this video, technically I'm going to go and
Go check out my channel now.
thingy. Yes. What's her name? What's your name again?
We'll link it in the description box down below.
Yeah.
Once I remember it, it'll come back to me. I'll check on my phone later.
I'm like, I don't want to start putting it in my hands because when in
No,
Scotland,
this is actually starting to work. Look.
yeah, in Scotland when you guys make slime, you can't always like hold it in your hands.
For a long, or else it like start to melt again.
Yeah, because
Wait. Let poke it. That's actually satisfying. Ultimate satisfaction.
Wait, and remember, I need to touch some.
So
I just need to
no, Emma, you just have to judge who looks best. So every time you're mixing, it goes like to a cloud, and then the minute you put it like back down into
I
the
think it would be
bowl,
nice.
it's really really nice. If you can't
See,
it
that's
right
a
now, it's
really nice
because
combination.
of the sun that's hitting
It's
in my
sort of like
face.
mixing in with the orange thing.
By the way, we're doing a giveaway. The giveaway
Not
is
the slime.
if you want
Yep.
a free teddy bear,
Which I won, but
for your kids, or just you. It's a nice wee plane. You can give it to a gift or something. Yeah, we're giving a giveaway. The first person to comment,
which will not be me.
so
don't worry, 'cause I don't want it.
technically, you have to like, subscribe, and comment done when you're finished. And the first person who's done that gets the free thingy. Leave your, we can private message you. Leave your address, and it'll get sent to you. So yeah. Because there's no way.
Also, if you've made it this far into the video, comment hashtag slime squad.
Yeah.
That's if you made it this far into the video. Because like some people stop it after a while, and I was like, not me.
I don't do that. I watch all my friends' YouTubes.
Yeah.
What do you?
I watch all of yours and all. My favourite one's the singing one.
Yeah. Baby, hello. 41, 42, 43.
We're almost done.
Just keep
mixing. Just keep mixing.
And just
keep mixing.
watching.
I'm adding these because you've already got blue.
Oh, I want some.
Oh, that's that much.
Put more in your hand then.
That is a nice combination.
Oh, that's nice with the
combination.
pink.
Yeah, it is.
I'm going to put a little bit more in.
Here's the lid. We'll show you our finishing touches once we're done.
So,
Because I don't want to spoil it.
yeah. So, once we've finished putting everything in, we'll come back and, like, show you everything. That is actually a really nice combination with the pink.
Yes.
Mine's kind of looks
So
like
messed up.
a messed up colour thing. Now it's not really like a good colour now. Like I've sort of messed
No,
it up.
actually, it's actually really nice to be honest.
Yours is. I love yours so much.
I like yours as well.
It's like we can't decide. It's so they're both so nice. I honestly prefer yours so much.
Excuse me, I'm the judge.
Yeah, we're just
Yeah,
complimenting each other.
So we're gonna come back to the minute we have mixed and done all this, and we'll see you in a minute. By now, we could like prank call somebody, but we'll get back to you. Hello, everybody. So I'm gonna move this. Ooh, that cannot be my computer. Yes, it is. Okay, so we have been.
Doing this for a good 20 minutes.
Yeah. So Emma,
it's
can you
still
swap
not,
places with me? Yeah, swap places with me because I need to be on. Right. So
No, I'll just move my butt over here.
No, actually swap places with me, Emma. Okay, please.
Thank you.
Move. Otherwise you're going in. You're not sitting with me. Move over a bit. Okay. Okay, so, yeah, I'm sitting with my friend. I want to take a little
Mama.
Oh, crap, okay. So, yeah, okay, so we have been mixing and and adding and mixing, and we have found out a discovery. Use activator, then use Airwick. The exact same one as this because it's making it
Not Airwick
non-sticky.
Pure. Not Airwick Pure. That's like.
So it's making it non-sticky. You have to get the exact one as this, or you can try and find the exact same, but it can't say Airwick Pure.
Airwick Pure.
If you try it with Airwick Pure in your house,
And if it works, comment down below.
comments, then we can get it next time.
But if
See.
it doesn't, then
And if it is better than this one, then you need to
we'll
let us know.
definitely use that.
So yeah,
Stop getting on my
Give it a
screen.
little bit more mind, please.
you need a lot more.
Thank you.
I saw like a flame come out of that.
Like Lauren's isn't as sticky as mine
Yeah,
because she added like a lot more contact solution. I didn't.
I didn't
I don't mind.
know that I was adding too much.
Yeah. Well, it's yours is actually like really good. Your hands aren't as slimy as mine. Look at mine.
I know.
Oh, wait, I'm trying to like careful. Yours like mine's is not good. Oh my, that doesn't even stick to you. Like, well, it does stick to you, but like not. Like it comes off.
Yeah.
Mine does not. This is not working. Like it is working, but it's like.
Do
This
you
is,
have cold hands?
No, I have actually quite warm hands.
Yeah, if you've got warm hands, it sticks. But when you have cold hands, it's alright. Really, the other tip is if it doesn't work and it's really, really sticky, add a little bit of water,
Guys,
and it
it's still
actually
on.
makes it okay.
Well, considering I can't grab a cup.
Can you go and get a big cup of water? Like, rinse that out and give me water, please.
No.
I'm asking nicely.
And then you can feel the slimes instead of just looking at them.
Make sure it's cold water, though.
Pinky swear, Lord.
Pinky swear.
Pinky swear to water. Although we can't actually pinky swear. You forgot the cup?
No, I'll just get another one.
Pink mind, the pink pack plastic. So it is kind of
The one
sticky.
that Mum
It comes,
used in
yeah,
the barbecue.
yeah. It
Mine's like if you do it really
comes off.
fast, it's like it comes off me if it does.
Like
If you do it really fast. Like I think I sort of wrecked it.
We're
a
gonna
little,
show you our slimes once we're finished.
I think Lauren's is like the prettiest.
I think yours is like the nicest. If you know what I mean?
I like my colours, but I really like.
Yeah,
how
I
yours
really
looks.
like your color too.
I really like how yours looks, though. It's so nice. Pretty.
So
It's
if
like
you're
yours
gonna-
isn't as messy as mine.
Yeah.
Your area is not as messy as mine. Mine's just pure like a big dump over here. Like
There's
if you were here,
lots
you'd see
in
it.
this.
My back feel like agony like that.
Yeah,
Oh.
same.
Who likes my new slime nails? They're trendy but fashionable.
Oh my god, Emma!
I thought you were going to pour that on me.
No.
I'm good.
Just like with Emma, watch my camera.
Oops. Right, like the smallest little bit. You ready?
Yeah, the tiniest wee drop. Like, do not put. Okay,
That's
that is
that's-
actually enough.
Oh, it actually works right. Thank you.
Okay.
It's breaking apart. No, wait, no, it's not. Never mind.
This contact solution is good. This right here, you have to use that to make it. In Scotland, if you're making slime, that's the stuff you use. It's a tenner a bottle though.
That was £4 that I got there.
Yeah.
Well, it was out. No, I didn't get that, but I saw it in Tesco. Oh, look, who's not in that. It like sort of works.
So am I allowed to touch it?
No, not yet. This is how
when
Megan's
it's done.
Chapman's
Yeah.
was. Shout out to Megan. And this is how Megan's was. It was really, really sticky when we made hers with Airwick. But we couldn't use any activator, so it was only like
If you're
£4.
just using Airwick, make sure you use white glue,
Yeah.
not clear glue. If you're just using Airwick, if you're using Airwick for clear glue, make sure you actually get the activator as well, and that's
Yeah.
actually like legit slime. That's really nice.
Okay, the
Have that
winner
back.
so far.
As Lauren, of course, honestly.
There's an orange star in mine.
That can be like the one that you're trying to find.
Oh.
That was a lot, but that was. I can just add a little bit more glue.
Yeah, you can, yeah. You need
The
to let
winner
it,
so
you need to let
far.
it soak into it.
I know.
I'd
The
like-
worst
no,
slime
don't
so
add
far
any
is
more in.
Caitlin's.
What?
No, the winner so far is Lauren.
I said the worst.
So far as Caitlin's, yeah, that is actually true. I don't actually mind that. I won't take that as offensively. Because I said it myself.
That's because you
It's balancing out. Look, it's balancing out. I don't even like doing it. It's balancing out.
What do you mean it's balanced?
Like the water, it's not watery. Like as much.
See,
as
like
it was.
yours can stretch and mine kind of breaks apart a little.
Mine's like stretches, but it doesn't like stay together. Right, I'm going to add a little bit more. Oh, water actually makes it stretchy, you know.
Cool. Okay, that's enough.
Water helps the stretchiness of it. So if Florence doesn't stretch at the end, you could probably add like a little bit of water at it to make it stretchy. They're probably going to be really stretchy at the end. Though. This is not working. How is yours like that and mine's just pure like this?
I'm going to ask if we can use a tiny wee bit more of activator.
No, we don't need to. Honestly, it's fine.
Honestly, just go down this way. Just see we need like the tiniest wee drop because Caitlin's doesn't work. Okay. That's if she doesn't touch mine. Okay. Ow. Promise me she won't touch that.
Don't touch it now because you get ice on your hands and you want to save it for the end, don't you?
Yeah. Just watch my slime.
Honestly, that is like, I think I ruined it. I think the blue and the orange was actually a nice combination. But then I think I ruined it with the green. But the green, I do like the colour. But I really like orange. Orange is really nice. Like, I'm not going to like touch it, but like, look at that. You can't really see it, but that's... She doesn't have that colour.
Oh.
That's my mate. I just cut myself. That's my colour, mate.
Can I put it in?
No, I don't want any more yellow.
Can I put it on my knee?
No! It's like 150. So, hand over. Hand over. Did you just put your lip on that?
I thought it was an ice cream that was going to go up. I went up. A ball.
Don't actually put your mouth in that, mate.
Okay. You need it.
Here you go, mate.
Okay.
Thank you. That will do.
Yeah.
Caitlin touches Jared.
Might just keep it out just in case, but I don't think we'll actually need it like a lot. That was a lot.
Yeah, no, that's all I'm using.
Yeah, that's
Because
all
it's
I
my
need.
mum's. There's a last tub she's got, so she's with her mum. So once it gets kind of the consistency of mine, you kind of want to like use Airwick. So if you get the consistency of my slime, then technically you want to add like Airwick into it. But then if you don't want to add Airwick into it, then you're gonna have to use like a bottle of contact solution, so or half a bottle.
Still a little bit sticky, but it's alright.
Yeah. Obviously, it will be sticky. But
Yours is so. Look at
I know.
me. See, poke yours. Go poke it. This is mine when I poke it. Mine doesn't even poke. I think that makes it stickier.
That's what I thought.
It actually does make it a lot stickier. Okay. That's like rain.
Okay. Okay. Definitely no more.
Definitely not.
Just feel that.
Oh
Is
no.
that half of it?
I think it's like half.
It's right there.
Look at mine. This is like watery
It's
now.
right there. Is that a quarter?
No, like if you were using a quarter, it would be like that. That's how much you use per quarter. That's how much you'd use per quarter. So it's a bit like that, yeah.
It's like there. It's like there.
Did you just mix yours in and it came like that?
Yeah.
With a spoon or with your hands?
My spoon.
A spoon.
I kept using the spoon the whole time.
I'm gonna like transfer back to a spoon now.
Emma! Mum here.
I didn't use a lot.
It's like the smallest little bit you use.
Well, but I'll do some skipping while you guys make slime.
Is it working, kind of? Right, what I did was I used my spoon until it came right off.
It does come right
Right,
off
so
the
see like this, like, no, I just actually just kept doing it the whole time, so I made sure that nothing was on my bowl. And then I added in, as I went, more glitter to it. So, oh, it breaks. It breaks. I tell you
It's like
guys,
I'm the
don't
messy
shove that
slime
in.
maker and Lauren's like the pure neat slime maker.
I'm making slime for ages now.
I'm going to add in some green flowers.
Oh, green would be nice with
Oh,
that.
it's disgusting.
Do not put
Do not put slime near your mouth, it's disgusting.
Oh, let's do the purple one. The purple one's nice.
Oh,
the
that's a
purple
nice
goes
combination.
so well with
The pink.
this. The pink, yeah, especially the pink.
I'm actually
Sorry,
like
I'm not-
adding all of my sequins, but I'm keeping like the containers.
Yeah, same.
I'm gonna make
The
it
white
darker.
is so nice as well.
I'm gonna
with
make it
it.
darker with the red. I don't think the red's nice. I don't really like the red, but I don't
No,
think
do I, but it's quite nice.
I'm gonna mix this in. My aunt like literally used all of them but one. So like, by the way, like all of these are mine. Just, like,
Yeah, no.
just so we don't get confused, because like you never know.
Where's another corkscrew? That's your
When we building this big giant thing?
What is it?
It's called a gazebo.
A gazebo? Nah, I used to have one.
Is it good?
Why is there a cork in my slime? Oh, sorry. Put that a little on there.
Oh my god.
I can like get off my finger, please. Get off!
Wait, let's see it. The big one, just like shove it in the packet. Yeah, that'll do.
It's on my. No, it's on my skin. You know what? I can just stay there. I should get that later. Okay. Well, like, sleep up later. Oh, yeah. Okay. Thank you. Well, you don't have slime in your hands.
What?
Do you have slime in your hands?
No.
Okay,
no.
it's fine.
It's
even
like
if you
dried
did.
in.
Oh my god, like, it's like, it didn't attach to you, it attached to like your sock there. No, it's like your sock.
Alright.
This takes forever to mix it. Like, do the pokey thing again.
I can't.
Stretch it with your hands. I do it, got me both hands. Got me both hands.
The reason I don't go in with both hands is because I want to make it a nice consistency. And
Before you, like,
technically, yeah.
Like,
And technically, if my hands are really warm, it makes it go even stickier. So
my hands are actually like warm, but like, at the same time I'm like, how does mine not like? Wait a minute, let's just poke. Mine does not. Mine does not. You know, I'm just get rid of this.
you don't use all of them.
Let's just put them all in just to. So I have plenty of bottles now. Maybe I could store them in
Used
them.
every one of them.
Yeah, every single one.
I have it.
Boom. Is that your cork or is that mine?
Share quark.
Yeah, so your corks are on your bottles. You left the lid there.
Oh yes, I did. Right, I'm going to add the tiniest wee spray. Well, that wasn't a spray. But 2 sprays, do more than 2 sprays. And I'm going to poke it
Does that go
because
better?
that makes it poke a wee bit better.
Does it
And
make
I
it stickier?
just, yeah, kind of. You don't want to add in too much airwick. You want to, the minute you've finished, try not to add too much of that. The minute you're finished making the slime and it's really, really sticky, add water and a lot of airwick. But if you add in airwick and it goes really, really sticky, either 1, add in more glue, yeah, or 2, add more contact solution, and I think you might have to add in a bit more glue.
Me?
Yeah. Just to
But that'll make it stickier though.
True.
Like that'll make it even more. That'll make it like
Maybe
sticky.
shaving foam might work.
Maybe.
I'll go and see if I have some and bring like the tiny stuff
Yeah.
down
Like I don't want it to be too
on
fluffy.
my hand.
Yeah, like I don't want too fluffy. Like, You just want like a little bit. If you've made it this far into the video as well, comment down below what your favourite type of slime is. Wait, there's another cork in mine, there's another cork, wait a minute. Why is all of them going in my slime?
I'm doing you.
Get away, get away,
Use your
get
spoon.
off. What?
Use your spoon for this.
Just say, just get off your hand.
Have a bad day. Tell me no.
Wait. Just
Sorry, it's fine. She's in there. You can let him.
right, go. I'll just mix it with my hands.
Yeah.
Or like, I'll just use that.
Sometimes
I feel like it's better anyway. I feel like it's better using my hands.
Yeah, it is. Oh, wait, no.
Are you making that fluffy? I tried to do that and it's sort of. Oh no!
Is it better or is it worse?
Well, no, I just felt like that.
doing that?
What?
No, you don't.
No, it's mine's like
I really want that.
No, it's a giveaway.
No, it's a giveaway, mate.
Oh my god, what happened?
Nothing.
I used soap. Wow.
Just make it. Look, it's actually working. Look.
Can you poke it?
Yes, listen.
Good. Just keep mixing.
Right, mine's is almost there, guys.
I really want it.
No, because if nobody
Oh my god, look,
comments and
that's
does
actually legit slime.
okay, if nobody comments or does what I say, then technically you
If
or
no
Lily
one comments
can
and does
have
what
it.
I say.
Lauren, it's
Do as I
limited
say.
edition.
No, it's not.
Look.
If that's on this edition, I'm peeing at me. I'm kidding, I'm not.
It's no, it's just Walt Disney. What?
Can I cuddle it?
That's just Walt Disney, that's all it is. It looks like
Yeah.
any edition.
I really want it.
Oh my god, that does
Wait,
actually
here,
really
click.
work.
I really want it.
Right, guys, listen to the click. You ready? Yours is clickier. Wait, click yours. This is mine. I think yours is clickier.
Lauren, can I feel
When I
your
get
banana?
I think you should actually add a little bit of shaving.
Can I feel your banana?
No, put it off that! Oh, get it off! Put it back where you found it.
I found it.
Hold on,
garbage.
I'm not going to put my hands in yours now.
You can do that with it. And it comes
As soon
off
as,
straight away.
as soon as I get all of this off my hands, I might just start It's still a little bit sticky.
Yeah, just like the tiny tad though. You can actually get it off your fingers.
Yeah, really well. Not that well, but yeah. I think I'm just going to keep mixing it and see how it goes. Because I'm actually really impressed with this thing.
This is starting to get sticky now.
Is it?
Mine?
We need
Yours
some
is
air
actually the mine now.
No, I really like yours. I think mine's is kind of.
Do you want to add some beets into this, Lauren?
Actually, I like the colour of yours because it's like the white goes well with it. Like the clear didn't actually, but like the
Yeah,
white
the clear doesn't. I think the white kind of balances it out a little bit.
Yeah.
I think it would have been better if I just left the blue and the orange in.
Did you want that there?
I think the red doesn't really look nice.
Yeah, she did. How?
Sorry, what?
Do you want that there?
Yeah.
As you can may tell,
Do you
the
let me
last
have
YouTube
it?
video I had, Caitlin's hair was long. Now you can see
It's short.
cut.
What?
Oh, what?
Is that you just noticed?
Okay, just tiny bit.
No, it's making it stickier.
Can you dye it
It's
again so I don't know the difference?
I'm dyeing it blonde. I'm dyeing it your colour.
Why you dyed it dip-dyed?
What? Yeah, I had it dip dyed blue.
Goes green.
Yeah, it's like blue, kind of greeny. It was blue on the box, and as soon as you put it in, it's like a little bit blue. And then as soon as you wash it, it starts to go green. I think there's not that much left in it. I think there's actually. Oh, sorry, I scraped you there.
No,
Still a piece in your hair. I can see it.
That's actually pretty.
yours is so nice.
I like
Right,
gold.
I am going to give you a container for this. Imagine you just got like little tiny wee samples and like put it in.
Remember, guys,
That's what I said
could, like,
I was going to do it. I was like, no way I'm putting in
What do you
that.
call it?
But how would you get it
Simple.
out?
Quite easy.
Like,
Okay.
you can't get your finger in it, look.
True, you need to get like a scraper or something.
Like a little toothpick and like try to get it all out.
I'm not using all of this, but it's really nice to slime. Like, the more you use this, the more you're wasting them because slime goes like.
And
really
you can actually
quickly.
use these little containers. Oh, I just found my cork, but I'll get it in it. You can actually use these little containers for different things. Like, if you have spare beads from when you're making a necklace, you can store them in these. Or if you want lip balm on the go, just like store them in that.
So where's that wee? There it is.
Oh, did you put stars on it,
These are
Lauren?
astronaut beads
And
or asteroid beads.
put a little bit more in.
Lauren, did you add
Those are
some
really
beads?
nice too.
Did you add
actually,
some
I just finished
beads?
that. I'm sorry.
No, I'm using these.
Did you add beads to that?
Yeah, well, maybe when I was mixing.
I'm actually really happy with this slime. It's a little bit
Can
sticky.
I put a wee hole in it
You've
so
got
we
more
can
than-
put some beads in?
I feel
No.
like I feel like I've got a little bit more slime.
Right, put a wee hole in it, okay.
Right, I did.
But if I lose all, if this all go,
What? Wait,
okay, that's enough.
I want white, but okay.
People think when your hands
I'll
are
put
really
some white
sticky,
in
they
it.
think your slime's really sticky, but it's actually not that sticky.
Oh,
anymore.
I just broke my cork.
Your
You
hands,
got,
if you're
have
like
you got a spare cork?
a spare cork, I actually don't think I have enough cork for mine.
I'm
Sorry.
gonna put that back in.
There's 2 corks right there if you can wash them or something. Well, they're both mine, but you can, like, I don't know. I don't
I'm
mind.
going to steal this one. I think this one.
You can steal that one.
Go take my 2 corks with me.
Can I have my cup back?
That cork.
I know, got it.
Your stars are so satisfying.
I love your slime because it's white. It's
Purple.
stretchy, but
Can we
I
use
love
some
the
purple?
crispiness of it.
Can we use?
no, my purple's my favorite.
You just
What about them? You won't
No,
use them.
stop!
it's in the water.
What about these?
No! They're mine.
Can I have the water over, please?
What about
Yes.
these?
I'm not
No! No! They're all
I'm literally putting the
mine.
smallest
All
little bit
mine.
Really?
Oh, but I used to just scream and I was like, oh, okay.
Lord, go
Emma, you just
get it.
banana!
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 Banana.
Emma! If you burst that, I swear to God, you'll die and you're gonna
How much is it?
put it down. £2. Emma!
What?
Legs up your agony there, like. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to know how to walk after this, so like. You should try and watch me walk after I stand up, that's going to be hilarious. I'll be like an old granny.
So paying £5 to get one ingredient really.
What in the stars went
And then like
inside?
accessories, that would do. Like.
Yeah, like stuff.
These accessories are like £1, £1.50 and stuff, so make sure you go get them. They're really good.
Banana, 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 banana,
Right.
banana.
I'm gonna give you
I think yours looks better.
a slight. Yeah.
Yours definitely looks better.
I'll be 2 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna show you my slime at the moment. So this is my slime. Oh, sorry about my feet.
Lauren's
This
looks
is
so good.
my slime. I've been working on it for a while. I might work on it again. This is just my bowl. Sorry. Yeah. Stop it. So then I'm going to show you what it's like when I add the Airwick. Count how many sprays that was, by the way.
5.
That's what it was like. Oh, you're not supposed to tell them.
I don't even know. I literally just counted in my head and I was like, what? I'm just going to guess. I swear I don't even know if it's 5.
I don't even know if it's 5.
Neither. I was just like,
I need to watch the video again.
if you guys are wondering what I'm doing, I'm just like this, trying to like get it off my hands.
Remember,
So that
I'm
is
the judge, so I get to
My
figure slime.
slime. It's pretty good. after Caitlin had a big drama.
Yep.
Trying to put water in and more contact solution, and it took us a while, but we've been
finally
sitting here
got
for
there.
like half
an hour.
What time is it?
I don't even-
It's 20. It's 8 o'clock.
Oh my! I don't even mind 'cause it's not school night.
So technically, we've been sitting here since 6, so we have 2 hours to try and make this slime. You won't actually even notice that
You're
it's 2
actually here
hours.
until 7.
No.
7, you came here at 7.
Oh yeah, 7 because 7.
So it's like an hour.
Yeah. So technically, we've been doing this for an hour and
Trying to make it perfect, but mine's is not.
an hour and 10 minutes.
It's actually 9.
Lauren is like.
Yeah,
It's not
because
8 o'clock. Lauren's slime is like the prettiest. Mine's is like the
guys,
worst.
7 o'clock is 18. 8 is 19 and 9 is 20.
No.
21.
It's 7 o'clock.
Yeah. No, it's not.
It's 8 o'clock.
8.
It's not 7.
It's 8.
2010.
I just feel like that.
So yeah, it's 10 past
Oh yeah,
8.
I'm here counting the wrong thing.
So we've been sitting here for an hour. And we spent about 3 hours up the town centre trying to find stuff. Now, our friend Rachel, we're so sorry for you. Okay, we pray for you. Even
She
though
didn't
I
buy the
don't believe.
activator.
She bought this airwick and didn't even know that it was going to work. And we thought it was going to work. I said if it didn't work, we were going to kill her. But it didn't work the first time, so I'm going to kill you.
But the airwick does help.
But it does help. So thanks very much. You're a great help. She's going to tell her to go watch my new channel, even though I don't want all my school pals to watch
What's
me.
your channel called? Is it this channel?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Can't mind. It's a Roblox channel.
Cool.
So
I'll make sure to go subscribe.
but yeah, it's really, really good. Thanks very much, Rachel, for all of this.
I think maybe we should like go wash your hands and then try and play with it so it doesn't look as sticky.
Yeah. So
we'll
we're
be
gonna
back.
go and do that, and then we'll review.
We'll be back.
Yeah, it's gonna be. I will review, and I'm allowed to touch them.
Hi, so this is my slime.
There's a spider.
So mine is pretty pokey. It's not like the best in like colour and presentation, but I'm happy with it. It is a little sticky.
She made a mess.
Yeah, I made a humongous mess, which I'm going to clear up. Do not worry. I won't leave my friend's house with the messy house. I wouldn't
you're
come
not
and do
really
that.
going home yet, so-
Yeah, like I would say Lauren's isn't as sticky as mine, but I'm still pretty happy with it, even though it's
Got
not.
too much.
I added all the sequins, like every single
Yeah,
one.
there's every bottle. We're gonna do
All of them are empty,
We're gonna do another YouTube video of behind the scenes of how messy it was
Yeah.
after we had done it. So we will do another video.
So
It's cleaning up.
this is what we do for you and make a big mess, and it does like yeah.
So it's all you guys' fault. So kidding. We love you. We don't love you. We like you.
We like you.
We like you.
So this is my clicky slime. I think Lauren's is clickier, so Lauren, you do yours.
Oh, sorry. I'm
That's
too
fine.
busy.
Honestly, don't know who's clickier.
Yours is clicker now that I've added way more stars in.
Yeah. What did you add to make like pokier?
Stars.
Did you add the airwick?
Yeah, I did earwick in.
So like one. Oh wait, check it. Go. There.
Mine is quite sticky. Quite sticky.
I think like the shaving foam helps.
I'm gonna try an American accent.
Go.
Wait, is it Bath? Or is it English?
Bath is English. Bath. I can't say that if it was awkward. Bath.
Wait, hold on.
Sounds like you're saying bath.
What is it? You alright, mate? That's an English accent. What's an Australian accent? Is it like
What's an Irish accent?
um?
I can't
Go,
do Irish.
come over here, lad. Come, I can't mind.
That sounds like I can't remember. It's like they're sort of talking slang.
Yeah, that is technically it. That's what it sounds like.
Yeah, so we're going to put the
Nice.
camera back up. And I don't really want to do it because my hands are like still like sort of sticky and I don't want to make Lauren's laptop all sticky. So Lauren's going to do it in a minute.
Oh, So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stop the video here. We're gonna end this, and I hope you guys enjoyed our slime video. In the next video, Emma will choose who's the best slime, and also
Behind the scenes.
behind the scenes of the
mess.
messy.
Which is my side, don't worry.
Yeah.
Not Lauren's.
Well, actually, let's just say we'll let Emma test right now. So
Yeah.
we can do the behind the scenes how messy this was. Right, Emma? Would you like to poke once?
So, like,
Poke once.
Excuse me.
Which one go?
put Lauren's
once.
first.
Okay, no, I'm good.
One poke. One poke. Two pokes. Two pokes. Two fingers. Okay, stop. Okay.
Okay, it's kind of
Mine's is a lot stickier than that, by the way. Right, that's enough for me.
Hold on. Hold on, stop. Hold on.
Okay, stop. Okay, we have. Right, make your decision. What is this?
I'm not excited.
No, lift them up, 3, 2, 1, go. Always try to make a slime bubble once it's like completely done.
Yeah, one second.
Like, it's not like it's sticky. Oh my god, I hate fences.
Let me feel one more time. I've actually forgot how it feels.
How can you forget how it feels?
I don't know.
Stop.
Okay,
Stop.
that's
Right,
like-
give me my slime back.
That's like so sticky.
That's mine.
Mine's is way stickier.
We can actually poke yours better.
But Lauren's is like not as
Okay.
sticky. I would say Lauren. It's gonna be Lauren. Get a little bit.
Yeah, hold on. Oh, wait.
Thanks.
It's easy to
Like,
poke that way.
when you poke,
You should totally cheat and, like, get my sister, put the earwick in, and then, like, let her poke to see who's the winner. That's what I would have done.
listen to me.
Okay.
Yeah?
I think it's gonna be you.
Can you please go away?
No!
No, because with the tabs I'm gonna do a W and an L.
No.
Those are winner.
No, I'm just gonna stay here. Thanks.
Okay.
Hurry up, Emma. We're not
third
having this. It's
place?
50 minutes long.
How can there be a third place?
This is 50 minutes
There's
long.
no one. Well, do you want,
Hurry up.
who wants to hear the winner? Put your hands up. Who wants to hear the loser?
Okay, yeah, both of us want to hear the loser.
Right, do the loser first.
The
then.
loser is...
And the
Caitlin.
loser is no one.
Do it first.
No, I'll do the winner first. And the winner is
Oh, it's an awkward noise.
drum roll.
Elbow roll.
I need to think again because it's a draw.
Emma!
We should like totally run away and hide.
And I've got to give a reason why I chose that person.
We're not allowed to add any more activator. The rule is you can't add in any more activator because that would just cheat.
Hands up if you want to hear the winner first. I'll give you a clue who the winner is. Okay. The clue for the winner is someone smart, intelligent, kind,
Not me.
Not me. I'm never kind.
struggles a lot.
That's me. That's me. Wait, that's you. I lose. Wait, no, it's me. No, that's the winner. This is the winner.
Alright, then it's not me.
It's not me.
Well, I
And
just struggle a lot.
also, she had the best slime. Even though it took her a lot of hard work.
Can you just say that? Because, like, it's kind of annoying.
Okay, and the loser is...
The loser?
Yeah.
Alright,
the loser.
that's me.
And the loser is...
Caitlin!
And the loser is... Lauren!
Yay!
Caitlin!
Boo! I don't
Caitlin's
actually
the winner.
mind. I don't mind.
I lost.
Yay, now we can actually fix it now.
Okay. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Remember, we have this lovely, beautiful rhyme. Would you like to do this with me, Emma? Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. What?